Welcome to the ATS SpecTool, the only online specification tool which gives you access to product configurators and custom construction documents. The ATS SpecTool is brought to you by the leading building product manufacturers in North America. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use the ATS SpecTool. If you're short on time, feel free to check out our training videos on our Help Center page. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an account. You'll be asked a few simple questions and then asked to check your email to verify your account. Once logged in, you will be brought to the dashboard. Here you will be able to start a new project, create a quick spec, create a new master, view your project list, view all your quick specs, view your master list, and view all your master templates. If you need something quick and want to take advantage of our product configurator, then select New Quick Spec. You'll want to create a project if you'd like to take advantage of ATS SpecTool's rule engine, which will provide you with product recommendations based on your project location and ensuring everything is code compliant. For now, we'll get started by creating a spec. Simply name your specification and click Finish. This will be the title that is used on all the custom documents you download and what you can use as a reference if you need to revise your selections. You will then be brought to the product selection page where you can access ATS SpecTool's full library of products. Use the options on the left to sort by division or use the quick search at the top of the page to search by product category, product series, or an individual product. Find and select the category you are looking for. You will then be brought to the product selection page where you can view a list of products within that category. You can use the filters on the left to narrow down your search by manufacturer or by product options. You can use the search bar at the top left to search by a certain model number or series. Click on the product you are looking for, and it will allow you to further configure the product. You can even view the spec sheet for that product by clicking View Spec Sheet. When you are satisfied with your selections, click Add Product. If you need to add another product, click Add Next Drawing, and it will bring you back to the product selection page. If you're finished, click Complete, and you will be brought to the specification details page. Here you can view all the products that you've added to your specification. You can label each product and add a sequence number so that it will show up in a specific order on your final document. If you'd like to go back and edit your product, you can click the three dots and select Edit Drawing, or you can duplicate it or delete it entirely. To see more information on a specific drawing, click the drop-down arrow to the left of the product. You can even download the Revit file directly from this page. Select your desired products and click Generate Spec Docs to choose from our many download formats. Going back to the dashboard, now that you have built a spec, you can also create a project. This is the preferred method so your location, bid date, building class, and collaborators are all in one place. The system will also cater the product selections based on your location and bid date to ensure building code is up to date for each product. It will also ensure that each product is still valid and has not been discontinued. Start by filling in your project name and select your address. Then fill in the bid date and area in square feet. Click Next and choose your building class and type. This is again important because the system will give you product recommendations based on your building class and type. Click Next and select an optional template. These templates have been pre-populated with ATS recommended products. If you don't want to select a template, click Next and add any collaborators to your project. The system will send an invitation to anyone you want to have access to edit or delete any products within your project. Once satisfied, click Finish, and you will be brought to the product selection page where you can select your products like you did when building a spec. This time let's choose a toilet, so you can see how to take advantage of ATS's rule engine. Click the accessibility icons in the top left corner to ensure all of your products meet the accessibility building codes for your area. You can again use the filters on the top left to narrow down the product you are looking for. Once you've selected your toilet, the ATS system will automatically recommend the next product that would typically be specified or installed. In this case, a toilet recommends the selection of a toilet seat. Any additional product categories that are required or optional will be displayed. Once your drawing is complete, click the Complete button in the top right corner of the page, and you will be brought to the Project Details page. You can again label and sequence your drawing. Once satisfied with your selections, click Generate Spec Docs in the top right corner of the page, and you will be brought to the Download Configuration page. ATS has 8 download formats for you to choose from. Let's highlight a few of the formats available. Let's start with a submittal. A submittal will package all the products you've selected and include all product options and dimensional drawings all in one page. This is where labeling and sequencing your drawings will come in handy, as you can specify the order of where they appear in the PDF. Going back to the Download Configuration page, let's choose a schedule this time. You will be able to download a schedule that has individual tabs for the schedule type depending on the products you've selected. Going back, let's choose a manufacturer spec sheet. This will give you a package of every engineering sheet from all the manufacturer's products you've selected. Choosing Revit this time, you will get a zipped folder with each product you've selected in individual subfolders. Those subfolders will be named based on the label you chose for your drawing. Lastly, you can choose a CSI 3-part specification. This will again download as a zipped folder and include a Word document for every CSI subdivision of products you've selected. The 3-part spec will be customized to the specific products you've selected, so no need to edit once it's been downloaded. When you're done, you can always come back to the Project Details page and add any other products to your project by clicking the blue plus button under the Drawings menu and selecting Create New Drawing. You can further customize your account by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the page and selecting Team Organization Settings. Here you can edit your info and add a logo to your account. If you need help at any time or want to quickly contact ATS's customer service, click the button on the bottom right corner of the page, and it will connect you to one of our trained professionals who will help answer any questions you may have. You can also take advantage of our email spec service by clicking Request a Build on the left side menu, and one of our trained professionals will build a specification for you.